Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do you get a creator account on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open up TikTok. Now head over to your profile. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on the settings icon. From here, you're going to head over to account, and you'll see the option here, switch to creator account. In my case, it says switch to personal account because I am already logged in to my creator account. But anyway, all you have to do is follow the steps to set up your creator account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.